If you're trying to import invoices into QuickBooks and the process keeps failing, freezing, or throwing errors, it can quickly slow down your workflow. The QuickBooks Invoice import not working issue is fairly common, especially for businesses that rely on Excel, CSV files, or third-party tools to upload invoices in bulk. Whether the import stops midway or QuickBooks simply doesn't respond, this problem can usually be traced back to formatting issues, software limitations, or file corruption. This issue typically occurs when QuickBooks is unable to read or validate the invoice data being imported. Users may see error messages during the import process, or QuickBooks may crash or stop responding altogether. In some cases, the import appears to complete successfully, but the invoices never show up in the company file. These problems can affect both QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online, though desktop users tend to experience it more often with large or complex files. There are several reasons why invoice import may not work in QuickBooks. One of the most common causes is incorrect file formatting. If the Excel or CSV file doesn't match QuickBooks' required structure, the software won't recognize the data properly. Missing mandatory fields such as customer names, invoice dates, or item details can also cause the import to fail. Using unsupported file types, outdated import tools, or third-party apps that are not fully compatible with your QuickBooks version can further contribute to the problem. Additionally, an outdated QuickBooks version or a damaged company file may block the import process entirely. Before trying advanced fixes, it's important to perform a few basic checks. Make sure the file you're importing is in a supported format and follows QuickBooks' recommended template. Review the data for extra spaces, special characters, or blank mandatory fields. Confirm that the customers, items, and accounts referenced in the invoices already exist in QuickBooks. Updating QuickBooks to the latest release and restarting the software can also resolve temporary glitches that interfere with invoice imports. If the issue persists, reformatting the import file is often the most effective solution. Align each column exactly with QuickBooks import requirements and remove unnecessary data. Importing a small sample file first can help confirm whether the issue is file-related. You can also try importing the invoices into a test company file to rule out company file damage. If you're using a third-party import tool, ensure it's updated and compatible with your QuickBooks version. In cases where invoice import still doesn't work, the problem may be linked to deeper issues such as company file corruption, permission restrictions, or conflicts within QuickBooks itself. Repeatedly retrying the import without fixing the root cause can lead to data inconsistencies or duplicate entries. At this point, expert QuickBooks assistants can help identify the exact issue, repair data problems, and ensure invoices are imported correctly without risking your accounting records. If your QuickBooks invoice import is not working and you're stuck, professional support can save time and prevent costly errors. With the right setup and troubleshooting, you can restore the import process and continue managing invoices efficiently without manual data entry.